Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of June. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. And you can follow me on Instagram for additional readings. The link for that is also given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for the Taurians. Okay, let me see what are the messages from the other deck. Guidance from the angels for Taurians. Message from the universe for Taurians. This one wants to come out. I felt like taking this one also. Okay, I'll include both of them. Okay, Taurians, you are being very guarded basically about your emotions or whatever it is. In a situation, you are being very guarded, and I think you don't want to interact with anyone. You are being very guarded and in the mood of not interacting with anyone, and it is like you're contemplating over something. Okay, so you want that me time. You want that me time, and you are choosing to think over some things, trying to come to a conclusion as to what should be your next step or what should you do with your emotions, or an opportunity, whatever you are, an opportunity which you may be emotional about. Okay, so you are trying to go within, basically trying to, you have something, basically it is not that you are trying to take a decision over something. Okay, it's not that you are taking this time to yourself because you have something in your head, you have some idea or something in your head, or maybe a person, and you are taking the time to decide, basically. Okay, that's what. And once you take that time to make a decision, things start moving very fast. You are able to come to a conclusion, and things do start moving very fast, and you are very happy over here. It can be a relationship or a family or a commitment for some of you, but otherwise whatever it is you are moving towards is giving you a lot of happiness and a lot of stability also, and it is something long term. It's something like that. okay, which is something long. So that is what you are contemplating, and you start moving ahead with those plans, and you do achieve happiness also. But then there is something which is causing a lot of confusion over here. Either you have many options which are leading to the confusion, or you are confused about something. Definitely there is some sort of confusion. You are walking away, Taurian, so from something and waiting for something new again, or embarking on a journey once again, or some new step once again. It can be that you are walking away from this happiness because you are confused over something, and or maybe you are not that happy as you thought in the latter part. Okay, you achieve this happiness, and then something happens which is a cause of confusions, indecisiveness, and perhaps you make a bad choice, I think, or a bad decision over here, that you are walking away and you feel left out in the cold. Or it can be some other aspect of your life. Okay, maybe this is what you've achieved. Maybe it is a family, maybe it is happiness, whatever it is. Maybe you've achieved whatever this thing is, and this is a confusion in some other area of your life. It can be that also, not necessarily on this aspect only, which is talking about a stable foundation, which is talking about a commitment or a family. It can be the same thing for some of you. It may be something different also for some of you. But yes, there is some sort of a confusion or a dilemma, and you are walking away from whatever it is, and you are choosing to have a new beginning. You are waiting for the right opportunity this time to make a fresh beginning. See, here we have a Hierophant also. What I feel is, it is definitely talking about relationships, at least for some of you. It can be that maybe there was happiness for some period of time, and then there is some confusion. You are not very happy, and you choose to walk away from this relationship itself. It can be that, because with the hero, and you're ready to embark on a new journey. With the Hierophant, the World, and the High Priestess, and the Ace of Swords, this is definitely a new beginning in whatever arena of your life it is. And it is something traditional. It can be a commitment, it can be a marriage, and it is a new life. It is a new chapter of your life, which is being very, very intuitively guided. And with the Ace of Swords, it is definitely a new communication or a new beginning, definitely there. And the Hermit, you have the Hermit as well as the High Priestess. So definitely you are being very, very intuitively guided to make this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is, in this arena or in whatever arena of your life. But definitely there is some sort of confusion over here, and you are leaving this situation which is causing this confusion, and you are into a new beginning, which is a totally new chapter for your life, which is here it is. It can be a commitment, it can be a marriage for some of you. For those of you who it is not a marriage or a commitment, it is definitely a new chapter, which is maybe you have taken a help of somebody, somebody senior, somebody wiser, who has advised you or counseled you towards this new beginning. It can be that, and you're using your intuition, you're seeking that help from a mentor, from some spiritual person, maybe, or a wiser person. It can be that also, because here you felt very unhappy with the Five of Pentacles, and that is why you're leaving this situation, and it is not a very good energy. It is something, some great loss over here. Okay, so there is financial loss also, or relationship loss, whatever it is, but there is some sort of loss over here, and you want a new beginning. You're waiting for the right time, and maybe you have taken the help or from somebody as to what direction you should move now, because here you're waiting for a new beginning, and here comes the advice, whatever this advice is, and this is changing the new chapter. This is definitely changing the chapters of your life. Here you are being very, very intuitively guided, and with the Six of Cups, you are trying to restore that balance. You are trying to restore that happiness, the good old times. by moving into this new chapter, it is a rebirth sort of a thing for you. It is definitely something different, and you are walking away from the turbulence of your emotions, turbulence of whatever this thing was in your life, and you are choosing peace and harmony. So definitely there is some new beginning which is very very important and major, and it is definitely a new chapter of your life. It can be that you are leaving this relationship, moving into something new, or it can be some other aspect of your life, some other arena of your life which is requiring this new beginning. Okay, but it is definitely there, and we have the Ace of Swords twice. We have the Ace of Swords. Definitely an important communication and a new beginning. This communication, whatever this communication is or this clarity is, it is very vital in this new beginning of your life. Here we have this card twice. So definitely there is clearing of the air. It can be a clear communication from somebody. It can be clarity of the situation, but definitely there is something which is clearing up, and it is again here we have the Sun. So it is definitely a happy thing, whatever it is. This new beginning is giving you a lot of happiness. It is a sort of rebirth for you, new chapter and a sort of a rebirth. Or it can be like you get one more chance to amend the things. It can be that also. Okay, you are getting a chance to amend the situation. It can be that also. So just see how it resonates. Six of Action. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, or other recognition of your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent and say yes. So that's what I says. If there is some sort of a communication, if there is some sort of advice which you are seeking, then you should be able to identify the fact that this person is a God gift, is giving you the right advice, and whatever the experience is coming in the near future, obviously this rebirth or the reach or the different or a new chance which you are getting to amend your life is definitely going to be a success. Okay. Messages from the universe. Number 32 or number 5 may be of some significance for you, and number 12 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Have faith, trust your faith in this situation. So you should have the faith that whatever direction you are moving in is the right direction. Obviously with the High Priestess and the Hermit, you are being very very intuitive, damn intuitive. You are you have decided not to make a mistake this time, and you are doing what your inner voice says you to do, and your inner voice is the guiding path basically. This time you are taking the advice and just even listening to your intuition. It's not that you will do whatever the other person says. Okay, you are being in touch with your intuition. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. So maybe it is some sort of a relationship pattern which you are attracting again and again in your life, and it is a negative thing. So you are attracting perhaps similar type of patterns in your life in a relationship, and every time it fails because of some important reason. And this time you are being perhaps wise enough to acknowledge or understand as to why your relationships fail, why your things fail, why your relationship romantic or non-romantic. So I think you are taking that time by using that intuition of yours and taking the counseling, maybe even a professional counseling, to understand that why your relationships fail each time. Okay, and it takes a strength to recognize the fact that you need to change this habit of yours or this aspect of yours if you want a fruitful relationship or a happy relationship. Okay, so I think you are breaking, this is something new, this is the thing which is happening new, is that you are breaking those old relationship patterns perhaps, or making that change within yourself so that you are able to attract right kind of people in your life, Taurians. So it's a beautiful and a very powerful reading, and it's a very very good reading if you are doing that. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.